this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a photo collage on Google Photos. So if you want to create a photo collage, you just need to hop on your Google Photos like this. You don't need to download a third-party app. If you have this, you can do this. So follow me in the tutorial. So you just select the photos you want to create the collage for. So now let me select these 4 photos here. Let me tap on the add to, and you can see here, let me move this here, and then you can see collage. So I tap on the collage, so you can even create animations and the rest. So you can see now I have 4 here. I can change it. I can choose this. You can see here I can choose this. There are lots of options down here. You can select any of them you want for your collage, and then you choose it. So now let me come here, let me cancel it, and then this is not looking nice. Let me select less photos, which is 2, and let me come here. So if it's a partner, if you are trying to create a collage for your partner, you and your partner, something like this, and this, and then you proceed to save by tapping on this, and then you save.